Eat well, Ayaan. You need energy today.
I can't wait to go.
Let's make sure nothing is missing.
I packed everything. I'll miss you.
Have fun and stay safe. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teacher.
Let's sit together. Yes, it will be fun. Whew,
Please fasten your seatbelts.
this feels like an adventure. Let's sing together. This is the best trip ever. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round, all through the town. I can't find my cap. We'll find it together.
Don't worry. We'll look carefully.
Thank you, teacher. Here it is. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Stay together and enjoy the trip.
Everything looks so beautiful.
Everyone, smile.
I can't wait to show Mom and Dad. These flowers smell amazing. Nature is so beautiful. Mom packed my favorite sandwich.
It looks delicious.
Let's share our food. Thank you, my friend.
Let's see who finds 5 different leaves.
I'll do my best. Here is your notebook. You're always so helpful. I wish Mom and Dad were here.
They'll be proud of you. Are you having fun, sweetheart?
Yes, I have so much to tell you.
Today was unforgettable.
I'm so happy I came.
Everyone did a wonderful job today.
I'll always remember this trip. My favorite part was sharing lunch. Mine too. It made the day special. Thank you for taking care of us.
You were a wonderful student today. There he is!
Welcome home, champion.
I missed both of you.
We missed you too.
I made this for our family.
We'll treasure it forever.
Every picture tells a story.
This was my happiest moment.
Tell us everything.
It was the best school trip ever.
Oh, really? Tell us more.
We went to the zoo and saw lions.
Wow, that's amazing.
Today taught me to be brave and kind.
We're very proud of you.
I can't wait for my next adventure. We'll always be cheering for you.